Okay, so good evening, dear children. Welcome back to the next part of the video. This is perhaps the last part. On 15th May 2006, Chandran went to a shop to buy butter. He checked the packet to see if this butter was safe to eat. It was written on the packet best before 180 days from the date of packing. Then he checked the date of packing. It was 15th of Jan 2006. Help him to find out if he should buy the butter or not. So let us check. In which month was the butter packed? So 15 May 2006 को वो गया था लेने के लिए. But it was packed on 15th of Jan 2006. See, 15th January 2006 it was packed. Which month will it be 180 days after 15/1/2006? So 180 days calculate करने के लिए let us start counting in months. So शुरुआत करते हैं जनवरी से. जनवरी में अब देखो 15 को तो उन्होंने पैकिंग किया हुआ है. So how many days does January have? Tell me. Yes, absolutely correct. If we subtract, we will get the answer. Now, when we are finding out February, when we talk about February, Feb has 2006. It was not a leap year, so it has 28 days. March has 31 days, April has 30 days, May has 31 and June has 30 days. So let us count all these days. So after counting means adding. So that is 167 days हो चुका था as on June, 30th of June. So remaining days for packing, हमको 180 days तक पहुंचना था ना. अगर हम पूरा जुलाई ले लेंगे 31 तो वो 180 days से ज्यादा हो जाएगा. So what we are going to do is we are going to find that till June it is 167 days. So हम 180 total days minus जितने days हुए हैं जून के 167 तक we will count. तो हमें मिला 13 days. So those are 13 days of July. और else हम 167 से 180 तक काउंट करेंगे. ठीक है, so हमको मिलेगा again 13 days. So those will be the 13th of July. So the expired date will be 13th of July. After that, it won't be edible to eat it. Can Chandran eat it on 15th May? Definitely, 15th May is, still the time period he can eat it. Which are the other things that comes with an expiry date? So, cough syrup होता है, पैक्ड फूड आइटम्स होते हैं, मेडिसिन्स होते हैं, फिर उसके बाद कौन से चीज कभी एक्सपायर नहीं होती? सो दैट इज हनी. सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल नेचर इज. Nature, honeybees make honey. If you observe the beehive, but observe it, on the internet or on your phone, do not go near that beehive. It is highly dangerous. So you will see it is beautiful symmetrical patterns also. They are so beautifully made. So honey doesn't get expired. Apart from that, a lot of food items get expired. You'll study this in 5th standard and how preservation and expiry takes place in the subject of EVS. However, now मैथ्स नॉलेज के लिए हमको क्या क्या ध्यान देना है. सो अगर कफ सिरप में यहाँ पे क्या दिया है वो जरा देखो. सो देखो MFG यानी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट क्या दिया है? 7/3. This shows that it was made 7 यानी month, July and 2003. And if we talk about expiry date, so expiry date दिया है July 2005. So up to 2 years आप लोग store कर सकते हो वो कफ सिरप को. This shows the month and year till when it is safe to take. What month and year is written as 7/2005? So that is July 2005. Would it be safe to take the cough syrup in September 2005? अब देखो my dear children, जुलाई में उसका एक्सपायर हो जाएगा, ठीक है। सो जुलाई के बाद अगस्त सितंबर, एक्सपायरी डेट के 2 मंथ्स के बाद अगर वो कोई मेडिसिन या फूड आइटम्स खाया जाता है तो उसके बहुत ड्रास्टिक या साइड इफेक्ट्स या बैड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं। मेडिसिन के लिए वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. We must not eat anything without checking the expiry date and also without consulting the doctor. So over here, this is how you are supposed to write down. ठीक है? Now we have a new concept, that is the 24-hour time and the 12-hour time. Now my dear children, if you have ever observed on my videos या अगर मेरे phone में whenever I share the videos, I share my screen during the Google Meet, so आपने देखा होगा कि my phone always has a 24-hour time format. Now what is this 24-hour time format? 24-hour time format doesn't believes in PM. ओके वो पीएम वगैरह में नहीं बिलीव करता है। 24 आवर टाइम फॉर्मेट क्या बोलता है कि अगर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 o'clock हुआ है, दैट इज आपका मॉर्निंग। 12 बजे जो नून आपका स्टार्ट होता है, उसके बाद 13 o'clock इट इज 13 आवर्स। फिर 2 बजे के लिए 2 o'clock के लिए इट इज 14 आवर्स। फिर 3 o'clock के लिए इट इज 15 आवर्स। वो 3 PM नहीं बोलेगा, वो क्या बोलेगा? वो बोलेगा 15 आवर्स। एंड फॉर 1 o'clock वो बोलेगा 13 आवर्स। फिर 5 o'clock के लिए 24-hour टाइम क्या बताएगा? फॉर 5 o'clock इट विल से 17 आवर्स। सो डियर चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज द 24-hour टाइम। अब इसको आपको कन्वर्ट कैसे करना है? अब देखो, इफ यू यूज 24-hour क्लॉक टाइमिंग तो देर इज नो नीड टू कन्वर्ट, वो आपको अपने आप आ ही जाएगा। ठीक है, जैसे कि अगर 8 PM हो रहा है तो आप उसको 20 आवर्स बोलेंगे। ठीक है, अब अगर फिर भी हमको सीखना है हाउ टू कन्वर्ट, सो क्या करना है, जो भी नंबर है, जो भी टाइम दिया है, इट इज 7 o'clock 8 o'clock 9 o'clock 10 o'clock 11 o'clock PM इन द इवनिंग, सो आप उसमें 12 ऐड कर देंगे। सो व्हाट विल बी इफ आई एम सेइंग 8 o'clock, जस्ट मैंने 2 मिनट फ्यू सेकेंड्स पहले बोला कि 8 o'clock इज 20 आवर्स, सो 8 PM is 20 hours. So 8 plus 12 कितना होता है? 20. PM को निकाल देना है and put this 00, that means 20 hours. This is how you have to understand between the 12-hour clock system and the 24-hour clock system. अब ये PM, AM ये सब क्यों आया है? ये सब आया है to avoid the confusion. This is one example. If अभी तक 00 means रात के 12 बजे है और this 13 means रात के 12:13 हुआ है। ठीक है, सो रात का 12 बजा है एंड इट इज 13, रात का एज इन योर अर्ली मॉर्निंग, रात को 12 बजते हैं तो उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे स्टार्ट होता है, बट यू पीपल आर स्लीपिंग ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, सो दिस इज द नाइट टाइम। अर्ली मॉर्निंग हुआ है, 13 मिनट्स हो चुके हैं एंड इट इज द 24-hour क्लॉक टाइम। सो आप उसमें क्या करेंगे, इसमें +12 करेंगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा 12 hours 13 minutes and AMQ, because जैसे ही the clock strikes 12 it is time for the next day. That is why the both days are celebrated at as soon as the clock strikes 12. ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज। आप बोलोगे रात का 12 बजा है, रात के 12 बज गए, बट इन द एंड रियलिटी में नेक्स्ट डे स्टार्ट हो चुका है, सो इट इज मॉर्निंग। इसीलिए हम AM यूज करते हैं। नाउ दिस इज अ शॉर्ट चार्ट फॉर यू। 1 PM को आप 13 आवर्स बोलेंगे, 2 PM को आप 14 आवर्स बोलेंगे, 3 PM को आप 15 आवर्स बोलेंगे, एंड वैसे एंड द लिस्ट गोज ऑन। Here there is this very funny boy, Tuntun, who missed the train. Tuntun's school had closed for the summer holidays. He went to his grandma's place. He met a lot of cousins over there. He was enjoying himself and didn't wanted to go back home. So Tuntun, pack your bag. The train leaves us 5:30 in the evening. So 5:30 in the evening means 5:30 p.m. Oh no, Tuntun says we are going back so soon. I wish we miss our train. This is why parents say we must not say bad things. Yes, now see what will happen. Tuntun and his parents reached the station at 5:15, but guess what? They had actually missed the train. So this Tuntun is very happy. Oh hooray! That means I'm not going back today. But what was the mistake? ठीक है 5:30 इन द इवनिंग का ये लोग बोल रहे हैं ट्रेन है 5:15 को टाइम पर भी पहुंच गए फिर क्यों ट्रेन मिस हो गई because the train was 5:30 in the morning. Tuntun's parents were upset. They asked the station master, so our ticket says 5:30. TC says, sorry, station master says, but sir, this means 5:30 in the morning. That means 5:30 a.m. Oh yes, how could I forget that? The railway will write 17:30 for 5:30 in the evening. So here Tuntun says why? So the mama replies they use a 24-hour clock system. Now look at the chart. It tells the difference between your watch and 24-hour clock. Try to complete it. As we have already discussed this, it will be easier for you. If it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you are going to write like this. Okay? Now my dear children, which system do you find it better? Do you find 12-hour clock system better or the 24-hour clock system better? I definitely prefer the 24-hour clock system because it doesn't go into AM and PM and it is followed all over the world also. Now, can you tell why a 24-hour clock is called so? Come on, think and tell me. So now here, meanwhile, you think that Mama is explaining, suppose a train leaves at 8:30, the time written on the railway would be, come on, tell me, 8 o'clock yani 20 and 30 will remain the same. So in 12-hour clock, each time comes twice in a day. जैसे 5:30 AM होता है, 5:30 PM होता है. ठीक है बट इन 24-hour clock 12 के बाद डायरेक्ट 13 हो जाता है सो व्हाट अबाउट 12:30 in the afternoon so the mama says that is 12:30 p.m. after 12 o'clock at noon we use pm till midnight फिर midnight 12 जैसा बजा फिर हम am यूज करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं Now, coming back to your, I hope you have thought about why it is called 24-hour clock system because there are 24 hours in a day. So, the 24 hours clock says the time for the entire day. It will not believe in AM or PM. वो सीधा बोलेगा 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours and so on. Suppose a train leaves as 8:30. So, like I told you, 8 is 20 and 30 will remain the same. So, the time written on the railway ticket would be 20:30 hours. Where have you seen a 24-hour clock? So 24-hour clock is followed railway station, airport, bus stand. Where else have you seen? You must have seen in big offices. Okay, you must have seen on my phone and the list goes on. So dear children, this was the end of the 4th chapter. I hope you have enjoyed and hope you have understood. Apart from this, I hope you realize the value of time. Since 1.5 years we all are studying online. So I hope you are putting the remaining time into good use, that is by inculcating in some good hobbies into drawing, exercising, taking care of yourself, doing some yoga and also practicing shortcut of maths and logical reasoning. So I hope you are using your time. This could be the moral lesson which you can take away from this beautiful chapter. So take care, stay home and stay safe dear children. Bye bye.